This is a template for MS Project. It creates a new schedule with predefined tasks. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's start the project. Pro tip: for MPT files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. A user searching for this is likely trying to create a new project plan using a predefined structure. They need to use this template within Microsoft Project to standardize tasks, resources, and timelines for recurring project types, saving time and ensuring consistency across their organization. The MPT file is a binary container, a specialized version of the MPP format. It stores a complete project structure, tasks, resource assignments, calendars, and views, but is flagged as a template. This design prevents accidental overwrites of the original template, forcing users to save new instances as standard MPP files. Essential file access for MPT relies upon the utility Microsoft Project from Microsoft Corporation. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows may preview the page, but complete editing relies on compatible document software. Open the menu by right-clicking your MPT file and choosing Open With. Try Microsoft Project first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is essential for troubleshooting. If you are still having trouble opening the MPT file, do not worry. Because your MPT file is still failing to open, the issue is contained within 3 basic categories. Review this checklist now for the common causes and their solutions. First, creating from template. Launch Microsoft Project and use File then New to access available templates. Browse to the MPT file location and select it to create a new MPP project file based on the template structure, preserving the original MPT for future use. Next, customizing this project. Within the new project, edit task names, durations, resource assignments, and dependencies to match your specific project. Adjust the project start date, and let Microsoft Project automatically reschedule dependent tasks throughout the plan, based on the modified parameters. Finally, saving new templates. Save your customized project as a new template using File, then Save As, and selecting Project Template from the File Type dropdown. The new MPT file is saved to your Templates folder, making it available as a starting point for future similar projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.